Have you ever caught a woman looking at you just a little too long? Or maybe she laughed a little too hard at your not-so-funny joke. Science says that's not random. In fact, there are 8 subtle, but scientifically backed signs a woman gives off when she's interested in more than just conversation. Yes, intimacy, and no, this isn't guesswork. These cues are hardwired into her psychology, and most men completely miss them. But not you? Not after this video. Stay with me because sign number 7, it's sound expected. It could change the way you see every interaction from now on. Please like video and subscribe my channel. Let's dive in. And remember, what you don't know can cost you a real connection. 1. Prolonged eye contact. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, but when it comes to attraction, they're more like a green light. Studies published in the Journal of Research in Personality revealed that women who are interested in intimacy hold eye contact X longer than those who aren't. It's primal, almost subconscious. But here's the twist. It's not just any eye contact. It's lingering with a subtle smile or a flick of the eyebrows. If you catch it, don't blink. Have you ever tried to win a staring contest with a cat? Yeah, don't do that with women. It gets creepy real fast. Now, if the eyes are the invitation, then what she does next is the RSVP. 2. Physical proximity. She could sit anywhere, but she chooses to be closer to you. Research from the University of Chicago found that women interested in intimacy will often reduce physical distance without even realizing it. That's right. Closeness isn't coincidence. If she leans in when you talk, angles her body toward you, or keeps finding reasons to accidentally touch your arm, those are not accidents. But what if she's keeping her distance yet sending signals anyway? That brings us to sign 3, and it's all in the feet. 3 feet pointed toward you. According to body language experts, our feet point toward where we want to go or who we want to be with. A woman deeply interested will often subconsciously direct her feet toward you, even if the rest of her body is facing away. Sounds strange. It's called limbic orientation, and it's a primitive behavior. Her body speaks before her words do. Who knew feet were so loyal? If only exes were that consistent. Now you might be thinking that's subtle, but the next stone, it's bold, it's playful, and it's impossible to miss. 4. Teasing or playful touch. When a woman is teasing you, playfully touching your arm, adjusting your collar, or brushing something off your shoulder, it's not just kindness. It's tactile flirtation. And studies from Psychology Today show it's a major indicator of romantic or intimate interest. Here's the catch. This behavior often happens in public, subtly. It's her way of testing the waters, seeing how you respond. But what if she doesn't touch you at all, yet still wants to get closer? Her voice might be telling you everything you need to know. 5. Vocal changes. Ever notice her voice gets a little softer when talking to you or slightly higher pitched? Research from evolution and human behavior found women tend to modulate their voice around someone they're attracted to, subconsciously signaling femininity and approachability. It's not about what she says, it's how she says it. If her tone changes only around you, pay attention. Of course, if she starts talking like Batman, maybe she's just cold. But when warmth becomes intentional, when she starts opening up emotionally, that's when you know things are deepening. 6. Sharing personal details. Intimacy isn't just physical, it's emotional. And when a woman starts sharing vulnerable or personal experiences with you, it's a huge psychological sign she's ready for more. According to the American Psychological Association, emotional self-disclosure is one of the strongest predictors of romantic or intimate bonding. If she trusts you with her past, her fears, or her dreams, it means she's picturing a future with you in it. But the most subtle and most powerful sign, it's often overlooked and it's all in the mirror. 7. Mirroring your movements. Psychologists call it limbic synchrony. When a woman mirrors your body language, crossing her legs when you do, sipping her drink right after you, it's her subconscious syncing up with yours. It's not mimicry, it's magnetism. This synchrony signals emotional rapport and physical readiness. So, if you scratch your nose and she does too, either she's into you or there's pollen in the air. But if you're still unsure, there's one final sign, the one that confirms it all. 8. She finds reasons to be alone with you. When a woman consistently creates opportunities to be alone with you, whether it's asking for your help, inviting you somewhere private, or simply lingering after everyone else is gone, that's not by chance. It's intentional. It's intimate, and it's her way of saying, I want you to see me, the real me. This is often the last green light before a relationship becomes physical. So what do you do when you spot all 8 signs? Here's the truth. Recognizing these signs isn't about manipulation. It's about awareness. Most men walk right past genuine connection because they simply don't know what to look for. But now you do. So next time you're in a room with her, look closer. Her body might be speaking volumes. If this opened your eyes, even just a little, hit that like button. And if you want more powerful psychology facts about women, dating, and relationships, subscribe and turn on the bell because next time we're diving into the red flags you should never ignore, even when she's giving you all the right signs. Until then, watch wisely.